want to show you how to play I Believe, sung by Elvis Presley. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We're in the key of C, and it starts on a C. C, 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 D, E, D, E, E, D, E, triplet right there. G, 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 A, B, A, A, B, A, B, 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 C. And then he gets light right here. B, B, C, A, F, A, G, G. And then it goes right into the second verse with it. So the same notes. Now the chords are C, E and G, A, C and E, and D minor with A, D, F, put the D in the middle, G. So we'll walk it down. And we go to a C chord with the C in the middle, G, C, E. And then I play an arpeggio, C, E, G, C, as a filler. So here we go with the hands together. And same chord progression, except we go to an F this time. Start on an E with this melody, the second. Hold that just slightly and go on up the arpeggio. And then we do the same thing now. So we're going to go down to an E chord. You can play it there, or you can come up here. Later on, I bring it up to like the backups do, but here you can go on down. So you go C, E, E and G, and pop it again. Then back to A minor. This leads you back to A, B, C, walks right back up into the verse. So we got the rhythm there. It's the rhythm there. Right into the second verse, and it just sings right through it. So what I do on that second verse, I do that popping, that and then we go on with it. Back and then, so we'll get that far with it. Now this one is going to go. go down to the F. Don't hit that twice, just hit it once. And then we'll hit this A, C, and E, and the A. And then we go back to the F. So that line is... Now the melody is da, 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 da. It's a kind of a sing-song melody right there. Now here we go. So the melody keeps going. Goes right on up. Backups come in behind him. Da 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 dee, da. They come in behind him. So the chords is going to go C, E, G, E, and G, A, C, and E, and then a D minor 7, D, F, A, and C to a G chord. And I'll play the G chord D, G, B. So we'll go. Right hand is going to go D minor arpeggio, D, F, A, C, and E, B, and D. And then we have a reprise verse going right into the tag. But he starts on a C up at the top instead of down here. He starts... So he starts right there. Right there, and then by himself he sings them, and then the backups come in. So we're going to go from that G and D, C, E, D, C, and then F and A, E, G, C. To do there on the left hand is C, F, A, and then C and G. There you have it, I Believe by Elvis Presley. I hope you enjoy it.